Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. The market is very quiet. At least Saturday was a very quiet day. I think it's worth just watching the microstructure in this video, taking a look at, okay, any updates. At the moment, the price is holding above micro support. Okay, we could add a support range after the price rallied in 5 waves here from the 23rd of January low, when the price reached the 23.6 Fibonacci level at $79. The price rallied in 5 waves, reached resistance at $107 pretty much. This is now a formation, a structure that resembles a little bit a potential inverse head and shoulders pattern, where we have a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. If we get a break above $107, I think this is gone, and I would like to see then a rally to round about $125 next. That doesn't need to be the end point, but it's sort of the next main level. Let's just measure the height of the head, add it to a potential breakout point, and this would actually take us to 142. Now, these targets are somewhat unreliable. I don't use them that often, just sort of for a little bit of orientation, and it shows 142. Would that be in line with the Elliott wave price target? Well, I would like to see, first of all, a move to 125, 126, which is obviously the 25th of December high. So it makes sense for the price to possibly test that level first anyway. If I take a look at Fibonacci extensions, assuming a low is already in here in this pullback, then, I mean, 125 is a key level, because it is the 100% extension level for an A, B, C scenario, which might lead to another sell-off. That's an ideal target. But if we push any higher, then yeah, I mean, by all means, if this is a third wave to the upside, which is what I'm going to follow primarily after the breakout, as I mentioned before, easy target, minimum target for a third wave is $134. Ideal target for a third, 140. And there we go, 140. And yeah, then we start with extension targets, right? 150 possible, absolutely. So that's all good. Yeah, that's all good. So a break above 107, to say it in very simple terms, will basically for me confirm the breakout, and my minimum expectation would then be 125, but ideally higher towards that $140 range. That would then actually be in line with that inverse head and shoulders target, basically. Yeah. The fact that we have 5 waves up, we can focus on higher. Okay, I mean, the fact that we've got that 5-wave move up, it means we can focus on higher against the support. What is support? Okay, let's zoom in. 5-wave move up means the trend is likely up, and any move down could be a counter trend move and could be seen as an opportunity. We have support levels at 94.88. The market already reacted to it. Then we had the 50% Fib level, 91.57. The golden ratio at 88.37, and the key level down there is $84. So a break below 84, a sustained break below 84, will make this, let's say, long trade setup, this bullish setup, this bullish scenario very unlikely, very unreliable, and most likely lead to invalidation. Then we will probably drop back into the orange box, but so far, I'm focusing on higher against that $84 level. What could happen in the very short term is another dip into support. That's not predictable. I think it's very likely that we get another dip into support. If the market offers it, it might provide another opportunity. It's possible that we go up directly. Yeah, that's similar to Bitcoin's scenario at the moment. And these are basically the 2 main scenarios I'm watching. Have to change my perspective with a break below $84. That would likely mean we're breaking down more directly, and will also get this setup invalidated. And that would happen with a break below $79. Yeah. Someone commented in the previous video and or below the previous video and said the analysis is what do you say? I don't know, something like everything is possible. Of course, everything is possible, but I think this scenario is pretty clear. I've been very clear that I'm focusing on higher against support levels, okay? So of course, the market can do anything. You need to know the level for risk management when the setup is likely going to break, and that is $84. Below that, yeah, we are probably dropping back into the orange box. That would not be bearish. Short term, yes, but overall still be part of a bullish scenario. It would just mean that this fourth wave will reset a little lower. But short term, I mean, as long as support is holding, the focus is on higher. It's very simple. Just need a breakout above 107 then to really trigger that breakout and to confirm the move. Until then, pullbacks, I think, could be potential opportunities. Now, if you act on them, that's obviously up to you. Basically, this video can be summarized by what I posted already yesterday on the X network on Twitter. Feel free to follow us there for additional updates, also between videos, and for additional content around mindset and all sorts of stuff. So I posted, let me click on that, a sustained break above $107, which we just talked about, that neckline of that inverse head and shoulders pattern, could send the price up in wave 5 towards $190 plus. The strategy is straightforward. As long as the price is above support, purchase during declines and observe how far the market goes down to make use of those opportunities. I mean, essentially, you can't predict if the market goes a little lower or not in a correction. At the moment, there is at least no sign that this correction is over. If the market offers a little bit of a lower price, it could be obviously an opportunity. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.